Do you need a standard Ethernet cable for your business? If so, it's important to know what to look for before making a purchase. In this episode, we will discuss standard Ethernet cables and provide some tips on how to choose the right Ethernet cable for your needs. The standard Ethernet cable is a shielded twisted pair (STP) cable with an RJ45 connector that is used to connect devices such as computers, printers, and servers within a local area network. The standard Ethernet cable is available in 5 different categories, each with its own bandwidth capacity. The most common types of standard Ethernet cables are Cat-B and Cat-C cables. Now that you know about the standard Ethernet cables, let's discuss some tips on how to choose the right one for your needs. The first thing to consider is the bandwidth you need. If you are using your cable for simple internet browsing and email, then a Cat-B or Cat-C cable should be sufficient. However, if you are using your cable for gaming or streaming video, then you will need a Cat-C or Cat-E cable. The next thing to consider is the length of the cable. Cables come in different lengths, so make sure you choose one that will be long enough for your needs. Another thing to consider is the color of the cable. When there are many cables connecting to the Ethernet switches or routers, the color will help to track the cables and make sure the right cable is connected to the right position. It is also better for cable management. Finally, consider the price. Standard Ethernet cables can vary in price depending on their bandwidth capacity and length. Make sure you choose a cable that fits within your budget. By understanding and considering the above tips, you can ensure that your network runs smoothly and efficiently. If you have any questions with this Ethernet cable guide, feel free to contact us for help. Let our experts deliver the most appropriate and standardized structured network cabling system. Visit our website https://houseofit.ph/